Bambega ba poliisi 162 bayambaziddwa amayinja ku kitebe ky'abambega ba poliisi ekibuli. Omukolo gwetabiddwako Ssaabawaabi wa Gavumenti Jane Francis Abodo. SSP Okuluti Vincent ayogedde ku lwa banne asomye ekyawandiikibwa mu Bayibuli ng'abasuubiza nga bwe bagenda okukola n'amaanyi nga banoonyereza ku misango.
How can you say good things when you are evil? For the mouth speaks what the heart is full of. A good person brings good things out of pressure of good things. A bad person brings bad things out of pressure of bad things.
Jane Francis Abodo asabye abaserikale okukola obulungi emirimu gyabwe okulaba nga bamalawo emisango.
I want to say congratulations. Very loaded congratulations. Each and every one of you deserves that.
Abakubiriza okwongera amaanyi mu kunoonyereza.
On a selfish note, I know that work is going to just increase and be done so well because the motivation is high.
Onera abakubiriza okubeera abenkanya nga banoonyereza ku misango.
Just to say you have to support us, support him. He has supported you. Please support him because if you do well, you actually make us look good. We can't look good on our own when you do your work very well.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.